To watch the latest from India Science, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press on the bell icon to get notifications on all the science-related videos.
Hello, this is Bhagyashree Gupta and a very warm welcome to today's COVID Bulletin. Let's begin the bulletin with a piece of important news. If you are 45 years of age or above, then you can get vaccinated for COVID-19 from 1st of April. Isn't it a relief? The vaccination drive is at its full pace in the country, and currently people who are 60 years or above are being vaccinated. The people who are between 45 to 60 years of age are only getting vaccinated if they have ailments listed by the government for which they have to take a certificate from the doctor. But from 1st April, any individual who is 45 or above can get vaccinated. The government has appealed to people in this age range to register on the CoWIN portal. Given the rising cases of COVID-19 infection in the country, the Ministry of Home Affairs has issued guidelines for effective control of COVID-19, which will also come into effect from 1st April. All the states have also been asked to increase the pace of vaccination and speed up the investigation and treatment of new cases. Apart from this, states have also been asked to promote COVID-19 appropriate behavior in public places, workplaces, and especially in crowded places. Vaccination has gathered momentum in various countries, but an effective drug against the COVID-19 virus remains a priority before everyone gets vaccinated. Now, scientists from the IISER Bhopal, along with the University of Nebraska Medical Center, scientists have found that a drug named rapamycin can be repurposed to treat COVID-19 patients. Rapamycin is currently being used to prevent organ rejection after transplants and in cancer treatment. It is known to inhibit pro-inflammatory cytokines. As severe COVID-19 infection results in an increase in inflammatory cytokines, the inhibitory action of rapamycin towards cytokines makes it a promising drug to treat COVID-19. Using an already available drug for the viral treatment will allow scientists to safely bypass preclinical and early clinical development, and the drug can be directly tested on COVID-19 subjects in phase 2 trials. This will save a lot of time and cost. The results of this new research have been published in the peer-reviewed international journal Chemico-Biological Interactions. Based on the new data, the center has written to states to increase the gap between two Covishield vaccine shots by 4 to 8 weeks. Covishield is being manufactured by the Serum Institute of India and is currently being used for vaccination along with Covaxin. Currently, the gap between the two shots is being kept at 28 days. However, the new study suggests that the protection is enhanced if the second dose of Covishield is administered between 6 to 8 weeks, but not later than the stipulated period of 8 weeks. Based on this experimental evidence, the National Technical Advisory Group on Immunization and the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19 recommended the Health Ministry to change the interval between two doses of Covishield. These recommendations were accepted by the Health Ministry, and in response, a letter was issued to states and union territories asking the officials to increase the gap. It may be noted that this change of interval is only in case of Covishield, and for now, the second dose of Covaxin will continue to be given after 28 days as it was being done earlier. That's all for now. You can share your feedback and suggestions to us on the email ID flashing on your screens. And for more such videos, download India Science app or visit our website www.indiascience.in, and don't forget to follow us on social media handles. We will be back with another edition of COVID-19 Bulletin soon. Take care and stay safe.